I'm Tasha. I'm the assistant manager here at the body shop for Central Maine Motors. The vehicle that you are seeing was involved in a deer hit and was towed in to us. When a vehicle is towed in, we make sure we make contact with the customer, talk to them, explain to them our process. We do have customers come in and sign paperwork before we can really get started on anything. On this particular vehicle, the first thing we had done is I'll go out, I'll take all the initial photos as they are, as the vehicle comes in. It's then handed off to, if it can be brought into the shop, it is handed off to be washed, and then it is handed off to a technician to have the vehicle torn down, meaning panels removed off the vehicle so that we can address all the damages that we may not be able to see with all those panels on. So this one we had the bumper, the grille, and the fender taken off. Then I will go out, or an adjuster from the insurance company will come out, depending on if it's one that we write for or not. We'll take all the photos of all the actual damaged parts, write up an estimate, get that approved by the insurance company, review that again with the customer as to what is damaged, what repairs are going to be taking place, and how long that repair is expected to be. We will then order all of the parts.
Hi, my name is Sheila. I'm the parts manager here at the body shop at Central Maine Motors, and I am responsible for making sure parts are here when the vehicles are scheduled to come in for repairs, making sure that the technicians know what the parts are that are for them. As you can see behind me, we get lots of parts in here for lots of different vehicles all at the same time. Once we get them here from the dealership, we check them in, make sure we have them all, put labels on them as to whose vehicle they go to, and make sure those are all stacked together so that when the tech is ready to perform the repairs, we can take them right out to them.